The other day I uploaded a teardown of the Crossfire phaser. Well, here's what happens when you adjust the internal trimmers. That is the resonance or feedback. That is the LFO bias. The LFO bias was set to about that from the factory. The resonance was a lot lower. So let's have a look here. Let's turn it on. Turn up the speed. You can see over here. Now if we turn up the resonance, you can see so much high-end content is added. Makes it really rich. You can see it there over on the frequency spectrum analyzer. It's really going there. So that's could be a bit much for some people, so we can turn that down a little bit. Then that brings the maximum resonance up to a more pedestrian thing, but not for me. It's full resonance for me because I want that and it goes that the LFO goes quite fast. On this pedal you get a tempo LED, which, you know, I wish more modulation effects would give you. And then we lower the bias down a bit. We get that kind of thing. So yeah, the Crossfire phaser. If you can find one, pick it up. These used to be quite cheap new. I only paid $30 for this last week, and look, I've already had my $30 worth of fun out of it. Thank you very much for looking. Lasher out.